I'm praying for the rain, California, so the grapes will grow and they can make more wine. And I'm sitting in a honky Chicago with a broken heart and a woman on my mind. A master man behind the bar for the jukebox, and the music takes me back to Tennessee. And they ask, who's the fool in the corner crying? I say, the little old wine drinker me. I came here last week from down in Nashville, 'cause my baby left for Florida on a train. I thought I'd get a job and just forget her, but in Chicago, working hard is still the same. I matched the man behind the bar for the jukebox, and the music takes me back to Tennessee. When they ask, who's the fool in the corner crying, I say, the little old wine drinker me. I say, a little old wine drinker me. I say, a little old wine drinker me. Well, hi there, pluckers. Ivysaur Fingers again with a classic song from you from Dean Martin, of course, and a song called Little Old Wine Drinker Me. Okay, it's a bit of fun, nothing too serious. Okay, a 3-chord trick. Okay, in the main. Okay, so I'm in standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key as the original Dean Martin arrangement, I believe. Okay, so I started off with a little intro, very simple. 3 notes, 2nd on the 5th, 4th on the 5th, 2nd on the 4th. And then we're into an E chord with alternating bass. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm hitting the bottom E string, down stroke, up stroke, okay, and then the 5th string, 2nd fret, down and up, alternating bass, okay. And next chord, I'll show you the 3 chords first. Okay, so the 2nd chord is an A chord, straightforward A, and for this one you play the A string, the 5th string open, strum down and up, and then the bottom E string down and up. So the alternating bass on A, okay. And when you get to the B7 chord, 3rd chord in the song, you hit the 2nd on the 5th as the root note, down and up, and then you move this 2nd finger up to the bottom E string on the 2nd fret, hit that note, down and up, back to the 2nd fret on the 5th. Okay, got the idea? And those are basically the 3 chords of the song. Okay, so let's go to it from the beginning again. Do the little intro, and then the alternating bass on the E chord, okay? I'm praying for the A, praying back to E, California, so the grapes will grow and they can make B7 wine. I'm E, sitting in the A honky in G, E chord, Jargo, with a broken heart and a B7, woman on my mind. Okay, so that's the verse, and it's exactly the same for the second verse, again with different words obviously. Okay, so let's just go very slowly through the verse. I'm praying, E for the A, rain in California, stay there, so the grapes will grow and they can make more B7 wine. And I'm E sitting in a A, monkey in E again, Chicago, with a broken heart and a B7 on my mind. And that's all with the swinging and alternating bass bit. Okay, so let's do the whole thing again. I'm praying for the rain in California, so the grapes will grow and they can make more wine. And I'm sitting in a honky in Chicago, with a broken heart and a woman on my mind. I matched the man. Right, now we go into the chorus. And I'll just feed you through the chords first, and it says I matched from the E, I matched that B7 on man, man behind the bar, for the back to E, jukebox, and the music takes me back to tenor B7 C, and the E ask who's the A, fool in the E corner, A again, crying, I say E, a little old B7, wine drinker, E, E. Okay, so we'll just go through that. I matched the man behind the bar for the jukebox, and the music takes me back Tennessee, and they asked who's the fool in the corner, crying, I say a little old wine drinker me. Now at this point on the original version, obviously there is a key change. It goes up to F. Okay, now I haven't incorporated the key change because I don't really see the point. It's easier just to stay in E because there's only another verse and the chorus to go. Okay, so it's one of those sort of things they used to do in those days a lot in the 60s and what have you. But if you want to do it, by all means go to F, because that's what it is. It's in F, B flat and C7. Okay, but it's quite easy. It's quite difficult to get the swinging bass if you do a key change. Okay, so I've left it in E. It's up to you. Okay, so the second verse is exactly the same to play as the first verse. Okay, so coming out of the chorus, the old wine drinker me, I came here last week down in Nashville, 'cause my baby left for Florida on the train. You can do that if you like, a little bit, on the last verse there, second verse, where it goes into, because my baby left for Florida on the, just a single strum on the B7, train. And all you do there, if you strum the B7 on train, and then you play that first fret of the 4th string, open 4th string, 4th fret of the 5th string, and then the B7th again, and then hit the beat, the 2nd on the 5th, and then strum. So it's okay. So going slowly. I came That's right. Here last week down in Nashville, 'cause my baby left for Florida on a train. I thought I'd left A to forget her back to E, but in Chicago broken B7 hard is still the E train. Of course I matched the man behind the bar for the jukebox, and the music takes me back to Tennessee. When they ask who's the cool in the corner crying, I say, little old wine drinker me. I say, a little old wine drinker me. I say, a little old wine drinker me. And that's how I ended it. It's not on the record, but that's how I ended it. Okay, so you just repeat that last line 3 times. So you do the last line, I say, a little old wine drinker me, and then you repeat it again. You say, a little old B7 wine drinker back to you. I say, a little old B7 strum, stop, wine drinker, A, me, A minor, E. That's how I ended it, okay? So there you have it, boys and girls, my rendition of, or take on A Little Old Wine Drinker Me for a single acoustic guitar by Dean Martin, okay? So thanks for watching and listening, hope that helped you play that song, and I'll see you in the next lesson.